Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning course. I apologize that the remaining videos of this course delayed because we had university exams. So let's start. We already learned a lot basics of React, but in this video we will learn about styling. First, this is our application. This is looking really simple. This application basically has some simple style, but now we want to implement some extra style in our application and React. Now these components looking like a paragraph, we want to give some extra style to button and to every component. Every component will be show like a card. So let's start. We can use style and React in two ways, external style and inline style. I will show both in this video for yours. First, I want to create a person.css file in person directory. Click on this and write here person.css. Press enter and write here your style. I want to select class name person. Weight 60% for every component, and also margin 10 pixel and auto, also border 1 pixel, solid, and this color. Also I want to write here box shadow 2 pixel and 4 pixel, and also color for this. And also I want to select text align center, heading 15 pixel. So now this style completed. We need to import this style everywhere we want to use. I want to use this style in my person.js file. First, I need to import // and person.css. Now here select class name for this div, class name, and select your class name person. Save this file and move to browser. Okay, here we have extra style now, and this is looking very good, every component. And this was external style, and also we want to use inline style for this button. Like how we can to do this. First, I want to open my class.js file, and here in render method, first I want to define one variable const by name style equal to, first I want to select weight 100 pixel, 100 pixel, and after this height will be 50 pixel, and also background color will be gray, color will be white, and also I want to write margin equal to 10 pixel. Now come on and select style here in button. We will use inline styling like this and React. and pass variable name here like this. Okay, this name pass here. Save this file, move to browser. Okay, also we have extra style per hour button like this. So this was 2 ways of implementing styling and React components. Thank you for watching.